it's a like, for me, it's almost like a nuclear bomb, because when that hydrogen peroxide gets on like organic stuff, it starts to bubble. And those bubbles are like just atom bombs going off, going off, going off. And I scrub it with the drill brush again, second time, and that is the scorpion, get over here. It's just like,
You win.
and with that
Perfect.
you win mode, it is brilliant. It's really great. It makes it to where it's 100% clean at that point. It's not only visually clean, but the hydrogen peroxide actually cleans out whatever remaining residue could be in the seat that I missed on the first attempt with my uh, regular carpet shampoo. And then I just allow it to dry. And then once it's dry, I kind of do a spill test on it. Like I will drop water on it just to see, hot water, mind you, just to ensure if the color comes back, because I'm just a little bit weird like that. And then this is now for the homeowner, for the at-home parent that doesn't have, the $200 to $500 because their kids are always spilling in the car.